It's just non-stop.
Another lightning storm.
And there's a chance it'll strike right by us.
Holy.
Oh, that was above us. It's getting close.
Mom, you idiot. I am about to have a freaking heart attack.
Over this awesome crap.
This is not awesome.
I'm about to go run out inside and play in it.
Mom, you're such a mother fluffer.
There's nothing fluffy about me.
It's just the same speech. It's like it's bright outside. If you pause it at the correct time, you can pause it when it's bright out. And there's a random yellow dot.
So awesome.
Shut up, they're scary.
They're beautiful.
They are very frightening and scary. And I can't believe
Look at all
you're
the energy it's got, though.
I can't believe you're making me watch this so you can cook me tater tots.
I was watching this by myself and you're like, I gotta record this.
Yeah, because now you got me back into it. And now I don't give a crap about how scary it is.
Look at that.
Shut up and watch. Mom, you left. I get this whole storm to myself.